We are Caroline and Johan, born in Lofoten but living in beautiful Vesterålen. Vesterålen is Lofoten's neighboring island district, where we've been working and creating our dream life. For many months now, we've been filming, not quite sure how to start our own YouTube channel. We want to show you how beautiful and harsh this place can be, here, above the Arctic Circle, in the northern parts of Norway. We've been using GoPros and our mobile camera to capture some of the majestic landscape that surrounds us. Of course, we have some limitations because of where we live. The ever unpredictable weather, we often get strong winds, pouring rain, and limited daylight during wintertime. But that doesn't stop us. We find obscure places where we can use our drone safely and know where to drive and staying covered of the vast mountains that make the archipelago. We want to show you what you've been missing out on, and the reason why Lofoten and Vesterålen is ranked third place as a dream location for Norwegians to visit in a survey done last year. Lofoten even ranks above the Maldives in Australia, and this is why you need to take a trip here to visit Vesterålen and Lofoten in a new perspective, away from all the tourist crowds during the peak summertime. We want you to see all the wonders we see every day, every week, all year round. We want you to witness the places where few people visit during their stay here. To be in raw nature at its finest, even during the harshest time of the year, winter. Even when the weather outside is dangerous and the weather reports shows us yellow and red triangles on the local news, we can always find secluded areas where the sky opens up and gives us an amazing moment with small glimpses of nature's beauty. These are the moments we cherish the most and remember year after year. Bad weather, rainy weather, low-hanging clouds, wind that makes your gimbal-supported camera break, we have it all. Only a few days perhaps weeks of the year, we get a pause from all the bad, where you can truly see how nature's glory shows you her eminence and leaves you speechless of the sight of the sublime and raw nature the islands have to give. We are humbled by our land and feel privileged to call this home. We're a couple from Lofoten and hope you will join us on our journey where we explore, inform, and enjoy the many beautiful trips to come.